Hi, Cal. This is the third option, but this is the single attached. Single attached unit with 100 square meters and 33 square meter floor area. So this is how it looks like. This is really good if the aged parent will be accompanying the couple. So this is the first room. And this is the other room, as you can see. And it has this space for living room and kitchen and one toilet and bath. The outside has a huge area that can be used for a dirty kitchen or another room for expansion. And since this is 100 square meter, we can use if they have a vehicle, there will be a garage for it.
So the tiles is
The tiles is the turnover unit will be how it looks like.
for the
So
tiles.
the tiles, and it has free water and electric connection. So that is a savings of 24,000 pesos for the tiles and the electric and water connection.
Total.
24,000.
Okay.
15 and 9,000.
Alright.